Introducing 3M Scotch-Weld DP8507NS. Part of 3M's new 8500 series, designed for metal bonding. Traditional metal assembly is time-consuming and complex. 3M Scotch-Weld DP8507NS bonds directly to bare and slightly oily metals with minimal surface prep. Bonds many plastics as well, allowing for flexibility in design. Withstands powder coating and paint bake cycles up to 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. 3M Scotch-Weld DP8507NS streamlines manufacturing while creating superior aesthetics. Maintains good bond strength even at -40 degrees Celsius. Corrosion resistance for lasting performance. Every industry and part is unique. 3M is here to support you. Built for metal and many plastics. Learn more about 3M Scotch-Weld 8500 series, the next generation of metal bonding solutions. Contact us today to learn more about the 8500 series.